Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexclips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 21st of May 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the updates of new videos from my side. Okay, we have closed this month in a very excellent manner, and I am now going to take you towards the signals report. We have done extremely well with signals today, and I am going to start with EURUSD. So I have given the bullish signal in case of EURUSD from 111416 and 111769 was the target price, and guys, you can see right from the entry we have seen a significant bullish trend, and the market exactly hit the target price, and after that it has dropped, and again it's making the bullish pattern, but our signal was expired because the market already hit the target price. So if you have traded EURUSD today, then you must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the New Zealand USD. Another second signal that hit consecutively as per the signals report. 065146 is the bullish entry and 065373 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go up. It has taken a U-turn. Then finally it has up and it has touched the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, which is 065373, and I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about the ongoing trade on Great Britain Pound USD. Most of the subscribers must have the active trade on this pair. Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 126171 and 126728 is the target price. And guys, you can see it has taken the U-turn first, and now it's on the way towards the target price. So if it continues the bullish pattern like this, then it can go up to 126728. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. Okay guys, USDJPY was into the weaker zone, and I have supplied the bearish signal for this pair. 108795 is the bearish entry and 108320 is the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market is making the bearish pattern and still it's going down. If you move to the 4-hour chart, then you can see that the market is still going down. If you go to the daily chart, then you can see that we have a long bearish candle appeared on USDJPY today, because when I was preparing the signal in the morning, then I was looking that the trend is getting bearish and that there was no reason to buy this pair, and that's why I have supplied the bearish signal on this pair. Another satisfied signal of the day, that's AUDUSD, another signal that hit consecutively as per the signals report. That's the fifth signal. 069148 is the bullish entry on AUDUSD and 069338 is the target price. And guys, you can see a strong bullish trend on AUDUSD. Okay guys, if you look at the AUDUSD on the higher time frames, then you can see clearly, because if you look at here, then you can see that the market is bouncing back from the oversold levels as per the trading system. So it's oversold, so that's why we are giving bullish signals on AUDUSD. And with the great grace of God, we have already hit our signal today, and I congratulate all traders who have taken the trades, and they must have ended up with good profits. Another massive trade is taken on USDCHF today, and it was advised that today you have to take sell positions. The bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 100528 and 100277 is the target price. And guys, you can see the market went beyond the barriers of the target price, and we have a big drop on USDCHF as well. So if you have traded this one, then you must have ended up with a very good profit. At last, I'm going to talk about USD Canadian dollar, which is stuck in the middle. USD Canadian dollar with a bearish expectation from 135349 and 134879 is the target price. However, you can see that it already has a break from that level. It went down for some time, and now it's into the range. So overall, if it continues the bearish pattern, then it can go up to 134879. But I do not recommend at the moment, because you know that the market is going to close after a few hours and the market rhythm can be slow. So it's dangerous. You can stuck in between the trades. So overall guys, with a very good signals today, we have seen a very good volatility in the market, and Friday was too good to trade, and that's how we have traded today. And moreover, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. So the top red boundary is oversold, whenever you overbought, so whenever you see the market has went inside the overbought levels, and if the bearish candle starts its preparation, then you can sell the pair. And look, the scalper has pointed you to sell the pair in the form of red arrow, and look, the market has went way down. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts gaining momentum, and if also the scalper provides you with a buy signal in the form of white arrow, that could be a very good trading setup, and then you can buy the pair. And moreover, the price monitor is here. When it turns its color into green, it means that's time to buy. When it changes its color to red, it means that's the time to sell. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, and if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals, then you need to contact on info@200forexclips.com. Please send your all inquiries on this email. Also, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye.